This is my new TV. Not sure how much it weighs. This thing weighs a lot. I carried it up a hill. Had I not done that though, this thing would have died of water damage. From what I could find, this thing was manufactured back in the 1980s, early 1980s, in communist Czechoslovakia. Back then, this thing was luxury. Now, it's just a thing to throw near the trash bins. When I got it, that's when I asked the big question, does this thing work? I was too squeamish to plug it into the wall yet, so I decided to take off the back cover without doing any kind of prior research. When I took off the back cover, I decided, hey, this is a dumb idea. I should probably research, because this thing could probably kill me, right? Yeah, this thing could. This is a viewfinder from a camcorder. This thing also uses a CRT, but it's way smaller. This thing is considered dangerous. How much more dangerous could this be? After doing prior research, I thanked my Heavenly Father for giving me doubts about just going in with a screwdriver, a Q-tip, and isopropyl alcohol, but first doing research, because I would have died. So after properly discharging the CRT tube, following YouTube tutorials, I got a few Q-tips and isopropyl alcohol, and cleaned the boards because this thing was quite dusty. So I cleaned the electronics. There was dust all over the capacitors and resistors. Thankfully nothing too complicated. So after cleaning that, put it back together, hooked it up to a wall, and later onto my VCR, and this thing actually works. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's 50 Hz, so it flickers. I don't feel too weird watching it, so I guess I don't have epilepsy. Let me show you how it works. Now, another thing I dislike about this TV is it uses SCART. Now, SCART kinda sucks because it's just fiddly to connect. You don't know if it's connected until you test it. So, let's hope I connect it right. And press the middle button. Oh crap. That was bad. Wow. Next to it, but I guess I got it. Do not like that sound, bro. I'm gonna just try and smell the plug. See if the thing actually burnt or if it was just, you know, classic TV shenanigans. I don't smell anything besides vintage technology, so it could probably be fine. I'm gonna check out the cable. Oh, I see the problem. See that? It's not meant to be like that, Chief. It ain't meant to be like that. And this is exactly why I dislike SCART. AV is way better. Move it. Well, I plugged it back in and the thing is playing. So, yeah. Let me show you something. This is proof that this is really manufactured in Czechoslovakia. Look at the language. Hlasitos. That's volume. Look, this thing's got volume control. I can probably turn this off now. Yeah, it's also got 9 channels. It's channel 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1. And let me quickly state, the reason I am able to do all these repairs and just really anything is because of Jesus, because of my prayers. Each time before these videos I pray for guidance, for help, and God just supernaturally gives me these thoughts that help me fix things. It's the only way that I'm able to actually do all these videos, all these repairs. I couldn't do this on my own. I would freeze. It's all because of my Heavenly Father. I want to give all glory to Him. I do not praise me. Praise my God. Because my God is the only way I can do this. All glory to Him.